This is where we wanted to go. And this is where we ended up. Here we are pulled up outside of Coquitlam Chrysler on our way out to... What are we trying to get to here?
Granite Falls.
So we got a slight problem because the guy just told us that this whole pink area is watershed. So this idea that we had to go up there and around there and over down there, that's all not gonna happen. Last week I did this. You air down your tires to soften the impacts on these forest service roads. But this time we skipped it, which, as we're gonna see later, was probably a mistake. Stave Lake Mudflats has a kind of apocalyptic beauty to it. The gray stumps of old trees, the Mad Max rumble of engines, but it is breathtaking. Brought buns, brought mustard, ketchup, jalapenos, marshmallows, brought the camp stove, brought the water, brought the pot. What didn't I bring? The hot dogs. Why are you laughing? We found this beautiful spot, this amazing... Well, it's not like we're the only ones who found it because there's a lot of people here. We're just gonna be hungry. So, how's your bun with ketchup?
Good. It's actually really good.
Would it be better with a hot dog or?
Yeah,
Good attitude. Thanks, girls. Yeah, pretty nice little playground. Perfect for a young lady to learn how to drive. If you feel that in the city, you should stop and check what you just ran over. That's it.
Whoa!
Just hit it. No. Go to the left a bit. Yeah. And straight now, straight. Yeah. That's it. Yay! Good job. You found a good trail? Do you want us to follow? Go all the way over to that stream bed and then we'll cross there. We would have been happy blasting around the mudflats all day. But our fellow travelers wanted to go up the mountain to look for some harder trails. We went further north and eventually found a turnoff that plunged into the forest.
Oh, this is actually a pretty fun trail so far.
It's okay. Don't worry.
Whoa, cool. Whoa, it's like driving sideways.
We just lost our back window.
Okay.
What did he say? Oh my god. This isn't yours, right?
This is it. Come look at this.
Oh, congrats.
Thanks. What do you think though?
Little Bondo, little TLC.
I hate the scratching sounds.
I know.
Ah.
Oof. Well, it's like being in a car wash.
Oh yeah, I remember.
The damage.
The damage. Check the damage. I bet we have a bunch of new scratches on Blueberry here. That looks new. Oh, that's new. Oh, that's new. Oh, those are new. Yeah, those are new. Yeah. What?
Oh my, Alexei, that is a great view.
Yeah. From on top of the clear cut high up the slopes, we finally found that soul-refreshing view we were seeking. So today we decided to take Valerie out for her birthday and do a little off-roading and let her do a little driving, which she did. We also first tried to go see a place called Granite Falls and discovered that no. But Stave Lake turns out to be really pretty. We're going back for another week of isolation, but we had an awesome time. And the sun came out today. Yeah, just a great day. Okay, so here's a first. My bolts came completely off. I have something much more serious than nuts. I have a hub problem. Pass me that for a second. Pull this guy out. I don't understand how it didn't come flying off on the highway. It's just angel physics.